So, a lot of you people might wonder how I make my covers, right? Well, today I'm going to make this little tutorial on how to make your own FNF covers. Now, first things first, you're going to need a DAW, like FL Studio, or any DAW, but I use FL Studio. Then, what I do is go File, Import MIDI file. Now, you can see here I've got a shitload of MIDIs. So, let's say Terrible Fate from Funk and Drowned. It might take some time to load, but oh, there we go. But yeah, it'll come up. So then you got this, right? But for those who like to find the BPM, you can if you want to find the BPM, what I would do is well, actually, first things first, you can open a new FL. This is for getting the BPM. And there's this thing, and what it does, it makes a little beat to help find the BPM you want. Now, where are you? Trying to find it. But yeah, find the thing on the wiki. This one. So, Quiver Team's Been Drowned is what I'm after. Yeah, it's this one. Oh, I moved that for some reason. And then you'll go to here, and you can see the BPM is right here. And there's also the scroll speed, and the max score. Yeah. Oh, that's fancy. But yeah, then you want to go back in FL, and you want to turn the BPM down to whatever it said on the wiki. So yeah, there you go. If you can't already tell, this is the beat of Terrible Fate. And then you can go here. Actually, go to FL keys, because if you import the MIDI with the kick, it'll sound like dog ass. So yeah, go to FL keys, and then go to piano roll. Then go to this arrow here, file, import MIDI file. Oh. Then go to wherever you put your MIDIs. And let's have a listen. You see that? You see it sounds just like the song? Yeah, that's that. So that's one way to find something like that for MIDI. But I do it like this. I don't care about the BPM. Okay, I was just checking if everything's alright. So, now what you want to do is find the instrumental and the vocals. Now, you can find them on the internet, or you can download the mod if you want to, get the proper stuff, like what I do. I don't know if I even have the mod, to be honest. By the way, if you haven't watched the Ben Drowned creepypasta, you should probably go check it out. I'll try and remember to put the link in the description, because sometimes I forget. But yeah, if you're not comfortable with getting the instant vocals from the internet, you're allowed to download the mod. If you want. That's optional. Not long now. I need it. Oh. There we go. I keep a folder where I put the mods, so, like, nothing is really messy. So it's not messy. Excuse me if I yawn so much. I don't know why. It's a problem. I think this is it. Yeah, it is. So there you go. If it loads, yeah. So you can get the instant vocals if you want. That's up to you. I'll just get both of them out. But I delete it because I don't need it right now. Wait. Oh, so if the MIDI is just out of place, just like adjust it. So yeah. So it's up to here, right? Now, I'm gonna end this video for now, but I'll come back and I'll show you how to add different characters for your cover. Okay, so the next step in this is to go to the MIDI piano roll. This is the way I do it. Some other people do it in a different way, but this is how I do it. So you get the select tool, select a section, Control C to copy it, and now comes the fun part, adding the characters. So I didn't show you that. You click that and you go to S4 Zando. I pronounced that horribly. This is where you can drag the sound fonts that you have in. Now I've got a load of sound fonts, so Piconjo. Let's try that. So now you can also go to a new pattern, because if you go to the piano roll with the MIDI, let me just show you that. See, you get these. Now you don't want that. You want to go to a new pattern. And then as you can see, those notes are gone. So you can go to pattern if you want. And then you go Control V to paste the MIDI. And as you can see, you can't hear it, so you need to Control up to bring it up a tone. Up a bit more. See that? Sounds like a charm. Now you want to drag the... Well, basically, really you do that. But I just click that and just click the... click the area. Now you want to save it as an MP3. So Shift Control R. And then if you want, you can make a new folder. And you can rename this if you want. Like, I name them section 1, 2, da 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 da. And then you can go to the folder that you made and drag this in. So now you've got this. And there you go. That's how you, like, that's for one character. You have to repeat this for an amount of times until you reach the end of the song. Some other people use UTAU, but I don't use that because I'm not a big fan of that. But anyways, that's probably all for today. If I've missed anything, let me know in the comments, and I might catch up with it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped. If not, well, I tried my best. Right now I'm at 1.11k subs, and my achievement is to reach 2k. If I can do that, then that'll be such an achievement. Thank you guys for watching this, and I hope to see you in the next cover or video.